Silent English letters. R, R with a silent H. Knife, knife with the letter K silent. Knee, knee with a silent K. Half, half with the letter L silent. Answer, answer with a silent W. Calm, calm with a silent L. Knock, knock with the letter K silent. Doubt, doubt with the letter B silent. Silent English letters. This is pronounced debt, debt. B silent. This is pronounced bomb, bomb with the B silent. This is pronounced honor, not honor, honor with a silent H. This is pronounced vehicle, not vehicle, vehicle. You have the H silent. This is pronounced him, him with a silent N. This is pneumatic, pneumatic. The P is silent, not pneumatic, pneumatic. And we have a silent K, and this is pronounced knuckle, knuckle. And finally, we have handkerchief, not handkerchief. The D is silent. Handkerchief. Phrasal verbs. Consider, think over. Discuss, talk over. Get over, take control. Recover, get over. Restart, start over. Examine, look over. Review, drop your answer in the comments.